Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a function called argument max, and we are going to look at what we can do using the command. And to do that, as usual, we'll be using Microsoft Log Analytics demo workspace. And to start with, we would like to take a table called heartbeat, wherein all the agents checks in almost every 15 minutes in general. And the first thing we are going to see is if at all we have any data by taking one. Now, if we complete this query running, we should see there is a result. That means, and you could see also there are machines which are checking into it. So today we're gonna also focus on the domain controller, and that's where what we will do is we will try to put at a condition of computer contains DC so that we can see only logs from the domain controllers. And also, just to make sure that we always take a little amount of data to make our demonstration better, we would say time generated ago 1 hour. So that's going to take only last hour of data. And if we try to run this query, we're going to see that it's going to take a while, because even when within an hour there is a huge number of records, and we can see it has returned around 468 results. Now let us try to add the argument max command, which obviously comes with summarize. That means you have to use summarize to run the command or to use this. And when I hit argument max, the first thing we're gonna do is let's try to take one command, time generated, and we're gonna take one more row. So basically we can start with 2 rows, right? And once we run this query, this is going to give us only one record with the DC name and the time, what latest time it has checked in, right? Now, in case we want to go for more parameters, all right, so if I go by OS type, and the moment we go for it, you can see it has also added Windows as an operating system type to make sure that it gives the latest, combining all three columns. Now, as a general practice, we will try to summarize with by OS type, and we will be removing this OS type from here, so the single record becomes a number of record based on the operating system. So last 1 hour it's only one DC, that's why you still see one record. Now if we just change that to computer and run again, you can see all the DCs whatever is checked in last 1 hour with the latest time generated time, right? Now in case I will, and you can also see computer is duplicated, that's because we have used computer here. So we are going to replace OS type and rerun this, and once we do that, we should see latest domain controller check-ins with operating system time. Now this OS type can be extended with many other details, for example solutions. So if we run this again, right, we should see on the latest version of the check-in what kind of solutions are available for. Now even to extend this further, we can also add maybe the subscription ID or any other fields what is available as a part of the heartbeat table. And even I do that, that's gonna add the same column. Now if we want to have the whole table with latest time generated time based on each computer, we are going to use the wildcard as star, and we are going to run the query. right? And once we run the query, you can see in last 1 hour, it is going to give all the columns available for that domain controller list, which are checking in heartbeat table for last 1 hour. So as you can see, based on the parameter we put inside argmax, the number of result column varies.